We're back, and what I have here today is a part that has a section where there used to be chrome on this part. Now, using wet blasting, you cannot remove chrome unless it has broken down, it's been aged, and it's starting to crack. That's what we see here in this section of this part. Stay tuned, we're going to go and take it into the aluminum oxide in the VH2000 in order to show you how we can remove this and what the surface will look like afterwards. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're back after blasting this part in the VH2000. We used aluminum oxide in order to remove a portion of this part that had chrome on it. The chrome had already broken down, it was breaking up, therefore it allowed us to be able to remove it. At the same time, we were able to prep the surface for any other coatings they want to use later on, if they want to put chrome back on it, any kind of paint or powder coat. If this is similar to your application, you have any questions, we'd love to be of service to you today, so give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.